Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install the ITV application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install the ITV application, you have to start by making sure the application is not yet already installed. So once you do that, then go back to the option that says App Store on your Hisense Smart TV. Now I just want to see if you have an Hisense Smart TV, then the App Store should look like this, please. If the App Store doesn't look like this, then I'm not sure you have a Hisense Smart TV. You bought the wrong one. So come over here and search for the application by just typing ITV, and here's it over here. Just click on it once and it's going to bring you to the installation page. So here's it how it looks like. You can read the instructions there, and this is how it's going to look like once it's installed. So just click on install. It's going to take a second and the application is installed. Now you can choose where to place the application, and once you do that, you can go ahead and launch the application on your Hisense Smart TV, and that's just how to install the application on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.